As always, this is a 100% cotton shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine to a damp state, almost dry. Since this is going to be ice dyed, I'm going to flip this. And I need to find the center of the collar. And the center of the bottom of the shirt. So I'll take those center marks. And I have the t-shirt split in half. Make sure that's smoothed out pretty well. Okay, I'm going to put a few marks on this. One there. One there. That one needs to be touched up a little. There we go. And there. Now I'll just do an accordion fold across those, and we'll go from there. Cut it off, and off to dye. For this, I'm using a custom mix of 1-to-1 ratio of oxblood red and better black. And I'm just going to apply it close to the lines. and then a single ice cube on each piece. As it melts, it's probably going to tip over to one side or the other, but we'll most likely reapply the dye and or the ice probably a couple of times, and then flip it and do it again. Time for the washout. Okay. The white areas will actually clear up quite a bit after it's washed. Not happy with this right here. But we'll wash it out and take a final look.